Adding 3-digit numbers. With carrying. Easy step-by-step maths. Today we will learn how to add 3-digit numbers with carrying. First we add the ones. Next we add the tens. Last we add the hundreds. Ria has 119 lollies. Layla has 121 lollies. How many lollies altogether? First, we add the ones. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We write 0 and carry 1. Now we add the tens. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. We write 4. Now we add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 119 plus 121 equals 240. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.